How to see archived stories on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your archived stories on Facebook. So if you have ever archived a story and want to view it again, this guide will help you to locate them easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have opened the Facebook app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the menu section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right side of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down to the preferences section, and in this section you can see the option labeled as your time on Facebook. So simply tap on that. And once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down and here you can see the option labeled as see your time on the first tab. And on that tab at the bottom you can see the see time option. So simply tap on that. And on the next page, you simply have to tap on the see activity log under the activity log option. And now once you are inside the activity log, simply tap on the first option that is labeled as your Facebook activity. And after tapping on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you simply have to scroll down and you can see the option labeled as stories. So simply tap on that. And now here at the drop-down menu, you can see the option labeled as archived stories. So simply tap on that. And here in this section, you'll be able to see all the stories that you have archived on Facebook. Super simple, right? And that's it. That's how you can see archive stories on Facebook. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.